Oh, man. You see, guys, the DGen fam Discord is lit, as always. Oh. All right. What's going on? Hey, 0 Day J here. Hope all is well. I got lost in the tunnels. I got lost in the tunnels of Brooklyn. That's why I'm a little late. Where should I start? Where should I start? I don't know what to show you guys. Oh, let me I gotta log into one more account. I'm gonna tell you though, I fucking hate trading micros. I fucking hate it. Now I know why I always stay with minis. You know how many fucking banger trades I would have had if it was a mini and not fucking micros? It gets me into trouble. Because you got to hold fucking longer. Oh, wow. We finally hit. Did we just? No. I was about to say, did we just finally hit the VWAP? And the answer was no. I had to adjust fucking Tradeovate. Lame. Shit's down. How many ticks? Gold is crazy, yo. Gold is fucking crazy. Who's out here? Who's out here? Markel, Danny Sebas, Isaac, Tick Daddy, Felix, Tom, K9. Holy shit. This is why you have to trade micros, though. Look, this candle right here, this one candle, is 230 ticks. I'll show you in a second. Let me just make sure I'm logged into everything. And yeah, all right. All right. Look at this shit. Look. This is why you got to trade micros. This is exactly why. Chat. Look at this candle. This fucking candle right here went down from 600 to 435. These two candles combined went from 637 to 432, over 200 ticks. We were just here. What time was that? 20 minutes ago, we were like almost 400 ticks higher than that 20 minutes ago. And this is what gold is doing every fucking day, all day. And last night, it felt like it was like starting to fucking mellow out a little bit, but not today. Not today. I mean, look at these candles. These candles are fucking 100 tick long candles. Sean, Vero, Vinny Lee, K9. Got your live trade iffy. Nice job. Carbo Night. Marcine, Coach Singh. Sorry for being late, chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Kenny. Yo, Kenny, you going to claim that account you won yesterday? You guys got to create an account there and give me your email address. Create a burner email if you don't want me to know it. Dips and Peaks. Clinvale. Are we green everywhere? That's the $1 million question. Marco. Marcin just got, hey. You don't even have to say anything. It automatically comes with extra. I hope it was great. Yash, by the way, speaking of 90% off, Apex's 90% off deal is allegedly ending tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. 90% off. 50K accounts less than $20. 150, 250, and 300s less than $40. And I believe the activation fee, the discounted activation fee, is also going away. Yash, Brandon, Eric K, Anthony Jr. There was something going on with Tradeovate right around the open. Yeah, Vero, it's crazy. You just got to be careful right now with minis. There's a couple reasons why. Like, here's the spread on micros. 3 ticks, right? Give or take. It's like 3 to 5 ticks. What a drop. Let me see something. Let me see. Oh, look at that. It's like lined up perfectly to this one. It retested the same level. So here's the spread. That was the spread. All right, let's do it again. 3 ticks is the spread on micros. Here's the spread on minis. 7 ticks. That's not bad. I was seeing anywhere from 7 to 12 ticks. 63 to 71, 8 ticks. So you could get in a position right now. It's actually not that bad. 6 ticks. The issue is, like, look what we just did. We just bounced from 432 to 586. If you thought we were gonna go lower and you get in right here, just in this one candle alone with one mini, right? Let's say you got in at the bottom of the candle, short. This one fucking candle went from 452 to 518. You would be down over $700 instantly, almost. And then if you fucking didn't get out and you're like, oh, we'll see what the next candle does, you would be down 450. You would be down 100 and you'd be down like $1,500 or $1,200 or whatever. Guess what that does if you're trading with Apex? You violate the fucking 30% rule. So you got to keep that in mind. It depends on the prop firm you're trading. And if you're trading with, intraday versus end of day, you got to keep that in mind right now, the way gold is moving. It's starting to calm down a little bit. The range today isn't as bad as the range has been the last few days, basically since we blew through 5,000 and hit 5,600. You just got to keep that in mind. Listen, I talk tough and I'm like, fuck micros and this and that. But you know what? I don't want to blow all my fucking funded accounts. So I'm doing it out of necessity. V33, what up? D-Walk, Penguin, Robin, Matty Matt, Jake, Kaif, what up? P Shenanigan. Who else did I miss? Did I miss anyone? V33, who else? But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you what happened and why I fucking hate micros. I'm still just adjusting my sizing and all that stuff. That's part of it. I don't know. I'm still learning how to trade with micros. Tactical, what up? Great job. Great job, man. Don't trade scared though, man. You got to be confident. You just got to wait. You got to be really fucking patient. D-Walk. I don't know. D-Walk, I'm not 100% sure. Every time that this sale is ended, they left that part of the promotion active in the back end. So you still might be able to. I just don't know. I don't want to say they will, but every time they've ran a promotion like this, where you had the discounted activation fees, the lifetime activation fees, they left it in the back end for a couple of days. So that's a gamble you'll have to be willing to take. But the other question you want to ask yourself is, like, if you're doing it on the bigger accounts, the lifetime activation fee is $135 right now, the discounted lifetime activation fee, right? On the bigger accounts. The monthly is $105 per month. Do you have a history of holding on to funded Apex accounts for more than 30 days? That's the question you got to ask yourself. If not, then maybe you'd be better off doing the monthly anyway on that side. Obviously, it's cheaper on the smaller accounts, the 25, 50s, and 100s. But you got to ask yourself that. You got to be honest with yourself. Maybe this time will be different, right? Maybe, but maybe it won't be. And it doesn't mean you can't get payouts along the way. You can still get 1 or 2 payouts before your 30 days is up, and you get hit with another monthly to rebuild. But chances are, for a lot of people, you're going to blow the account anyway. So why pay $135 when you could pay $105, maybe get a payout or 2, and then not have the account anymore? You know what I mean? Before 30 days is up. So you got to keep that in mind too. You got to do the math in your head and know yourself. Know thyself. Motion Capital, what up? Jose Carlos. Gary B. Autumn. Raider. Lonnie. Taking 2K out of Take Private Trader. Fuck yeah. We love it. Big Tick. Look, but look, man, that's awesome. Wait, and this year could be different for you. So look what Big Tick said. Big Tick got $110,000 in payouts in 2025, which is fucking amazing, by the way. Congratulations. Great job. Probably profitable. I'm leaning towards you being profitable, and you didn't have a single account for more than 30 days. What if you do that what if this year you turn the page and you start holding on to some accounts for that long? I mean, you might double it. I don't know. First year too? Yeah, I wish yeah. Well, I hate you because that didn't happen for me in my first year. Coach HID, what up? Raider, that's not really the strategy anymore with Apex. They're emailing, they're basically they stopped that. They basically put an end to that with how they're treating violations now. Now you got to trade longer. They just tell you ahead of time, and you won't be able to request on that account. That's what they're doing now. They're basically saving you the trouble of requesting and waiting to get denied. But you got to grow the account in a lot of cases bigger. So they know how to fucking plug all the loopholes. Damn, this shit is dropping. Trend friend, what up? How much did Big Tick spend? Who cares? He was profitable. That's in the first year, especially. That's the name of the game. What up, Newts? You spent 90K, so you're green by 20K. That's fucking great. That's a great first year. It took me 2 years. It took me 2 years. It took me two years and 3 or 4 months to get to fucking be profitable as a prop firm trader. That's me. That's my journey. But I'm profitable now, so no one can take that shit away from me. And if you look at me if you watch what I've been doing over the last few months, I am profitable as fuck. So you think I care? And I paid off all my tuition with Apex. And I'm green as fuck with Apex now. Not green as fuck, but to me it's green as fuck because I've been in the red so long with them. Tonija, Matty Matt, Maximus. So check this out. There's my Take Profit Trader account, which I haven't touched yet today. I'm still trying to push this over 3,000. I couldn't yesterday. I missed an opportunity or two. So all I was able to do was get a quick little flip in, which is fine because it counted as a day. What else can I show you? I haven't traded my Lucid funded accounts yet. I still have them. My 5 funded flex accounts. I haven't touched them yet. Let me turn on this fucking group. I kind of want to trade these before the stream is over more than anything. I did do this though. I got my flip day in. I got not a flip day. I got my 5th day in with trade day. I traded to win and also to not lose X amount of dollars. So tomorrow I will have 3 funded trade day accounts. That was one of my goals for this month. Let's see what we could do with them. We're good to go though, trade day. By the way, trade day, 40% off, no activation fee. With the best code 0DayJ, 50% off with no users. Day 1 payout potential, daily payout potential. You could do, it's just like Take Profit Trader, but you could do end of day trailing on the funded accounts if you wanted to. You just got to buy the end of day trailing eval. But you could be all in for as little as $75 with that potential for day 1 payouts and daily payouts. Anyway, sorry guys, sorry for the shameless plug. Actually, I'm not sorry. I don't give a fuck. Anyway, let me show you what else I got going on. So I showed you that. I showed you Lucid. I haven't touched those yet. I do have the group active. Trade day, didn't trade these yet. Here's my wealth charts apexes. So this account right here, I had a big day. Last week. I did just under $1,190. So I needed to grow the account to 3,967 to be eligible for a payout because of the 30% consistency rule. I got over that yesterday. I had one more day to trade, and I was like, I'm going to do a flip day. But I'm going to try to get over 4,100 so I could get a max payout. And we did it, Joe. We fucking did it. So this will be my first payout that I'm requesting this month. 2,000. And this account right here, 554, is the one I got paid on. This one's closing in on max payout land. I don't know what day I'm on, though. Let me see. 554 since I got paid. 554. Where is it? Where you at? 554. I think I got a flip day in that day. 1, 2, 3. I'm on my fourth day, my fourth $50 day. So I need one more $50 day. One more $50 day to make them holla. $50 to make them holla. So what was my biggest day? 476. All right, 477. 477 divided by 0.3. I got to grow that by as much by the minimum $1,590. So I got to grow it to $3,690. Where am I at? Oh, I'm right there. So my next $50 day, if I could get the job done, will get me over the hump where I can request and I can flip the rest of the way. You see, guys, I just want to see something on this account. Did I trade? What day was this? This was the day I got a payout. January 29th. January 3rd, the 2nd, 30th was Friday. January 29th was Thursday, right? Did I trade that account on Thursday? What? Oh, yeah, I did. All right, so I just need one more $50 day and 2 more flip days, which I'll try to win the flip, and then I can request. So what is that? I need 3 more days. So after Monday, I could be requesting another payout with that account. That'll be the second payout with that account. Now, let me show you the rest of this shit. Is gold really doing anything right now? It's just cucking around. Let's see if I can put an order in. Let me draw some new fibs. Let's draw some new fibs, okay, chat? Thanks, chat. Roger Adams, Tim Morgan, what up? Miss Goody. Trent Friend. You need a little bit of education on the 30% rule? Ooh. Here's the rule. Don't go down more than 30% of your drawdown, whether it's unrealized or realized in a single trade. For anybody who's wondering. Now, what's the 30%? It's your draw. If you're under the buffer, it's 30% of your drawdown that you started with when you got the account. For example, a 50K, 30% of 2,500. That's $750. Don't ever let yourself go down more than 750 in a trade. It's very simple. Just some people just refuse to, some people just don't pay attention to it or they don't care, which is fine. Sometimes you got to fucking go down more than that in a trade that you believe in, and shit happens. Shit does happen. But some people just don't give a fuck or they don't pay attention. The other part of it is if you're over the buffer, it's whatever you start that day with. So if you started the day with $3,000 of drawdown, don't lose more than $1,000. Or don't go down more than $1,000 in a single trade. That's it. And that's what brings me to this whole fucking thing with minis and micros with gold. Right now, you could get caught in one fucking candle with one mini and you violate the rule, even if you win the trade. So just be careful. Anyway, let me show you the rest of my Apex. Oh my God. What is all? You see that shit? Goddamn. Fucking green everywhere. Michael Escorza, what up? Bacon. Yes, sir. Great job. Roberto. Hey, chat. Did you send it to me privately? I don't remember. I gotta look. Hold on, bro. Man, if you knew how many people hit me up in the DMs on fucking Discord, it's a lot. Let's see. Let's see, chat. Oh, I saw the video. I didn't watch it yet, but thank you for sending it to me. I will check it out for sure. Just so you know, you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 other people sent me messages after that, after you sent me that. Just so you know. So I'm a little, sometimes I get a little backed up. I got to clear out my plumbing and my DMs. Crank, what up? If you double the buffer, it goes to 50%. Yeah. Something I rarely ever do. So I don't even worry about that shit. I play the game. I don't need to double the buffer. Right? I don't need to go above 4,100 ever if I don't want to. But anyway, let me show you what's going on with these accounts. So these are the group of 8 I just activated yesterday. I was down. Let me show you what the fuck happened with these. Hold on a sec. Are we going to get an opportunity here? The problem, here's the trick with the fibs. Which is the low? Which is the appropriate low? Like, how much are we going to drop? I'm on fucking minis. Let me go to micros because I don't fucking trust gold. I don't trust gold. I do want to get another day in on these, though. I would love to. So here's the high. Where's the low? Is this the low? I think this is a more appropriate low. You see that? Is that the spot where it's going to bounce? Or is it going to flush even more? That looks like a decent spot. It was the 786 at this low, and it's the 707 with this being the low. So now that was a good spot. I mean, look what we just dropped. Imagine you were in one mini long. You thought, oh, we're going to fucking retest this level here and go up. You just got fucked in 2 candles. We went from 484 to fucking 357. That's a fucking great spot for a bounce. I wish I was paying more attention. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some orders down here in case we drop lower. Now, if we drop lower than that, if we drop lower than this, the next low is way down here. And then this order is not even at the 618 if that's what we got to honor. If that's what the market decides to honor, right? That's it, chat. You see, guys, but this might be the spot. This looks like a good spot. But I don't know. I could be wrong, but I got my order here. We'll see what happens. You guys will know. So let's talk more about my Apex accounts. These fucking 8. Watch this shit. Let me go to one of them. Right? So trading micros. Let me fucking get all of this shit the fuck off the chart. I just hope it doesn't take it off of this chart. Oh, it's still there. Oh, look, see, that spot held. 353. It just went up fucking 90 ticks. So I get in fucking, what a shit show this was. Right here, this was my first trade. This is the issue that I'm having. Is this the first trade? That might be the first trade. Yeah, this was the first trade. I was in two fucking micros in each account. At a couple of different times, I was up over 100 ticks. Right after I got in, I was up 40 to 60 ticks. If I was trading with a fucking mini, I would have been done. But no, I wanted more. My take profit was like right here. So then what happens? I get stopped out for like $120 loss after fees. It fucking dumps down here. I had an order down here because I was worried that was going to happen. I literally missed getting filled by fucking 3 or 4 ticks, 5 ticks, which is nothing the way gold is moving right now. It fucking comes all the way here. And at this point, I'm fucking pissed. So I'm like, I'm fucking trading minis. So I kept getting stopped out. Next thing I know, watch, you want to see how much I was down? You want to see how much I was down in this fucking account? Well, in 8 of them, this is just one of the 8. This is how it started. And all I had to do, oh, here we go. 58, 115, 4 fucking 25, 1,065, 1,450. I was down like $2,000 because I got fucking frustrated and I was tilting because of fucking micros. But don't worry, we got it all back with a blend of micros and minis. I was basically picking my spots. We got it all back, but that's what happens because you'll get 100 ticks with micros and you're barely up anything. Oh, and by the way, after it dropped here and after I missed getting filled by fucking 5 ticks, what does it do? It hits that the original take profit from my first fucking trade that I got into. Go figure. But then we did a lot of winning after that. But even here, like I was in 5 and I got taken out here and it drops another fucking 150, 200 ticks. I would have been done there. But no. Then here, those are the micros, and then where were the mini trades? That turned out to be the fuck, man. Look at that. 363. We're up fucking 200, 150 ticks. Damn. What a missed opportunity. What a missed opportunity. But hey, you know what else is going on here? You see this right here, guys? 520 to 525. And those are only on day 2, by the way. But they were fucking almost cooked. You see these guys right here? I am on what day am I on? Well, it's my 5th $50 day for starters. It's my 5th $50 day, 520. Those are the accounts I got. Those are the accounts I got 3 payouts from already. I am on day 1. Well, that wasn't a $50. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today's my 5th $50 day. I got 1 flip day in already. And I needed to get to 453 divided by 0.3. I needed $1,510 to make them holla. So I needed to get to 3,610. I am at 3,650. And I need 2 flip days and I can request. I'm pretty sure I'm uncapped. I don't have to worry about the buffer. I could request 2,000 on these no matter what. I don't have to get to 4,100 because I'm on payout number 4. So between these fucking 6 and this one, whoops, where is it? I'm requesting $2,000 on this one today. And on Friday, I'll be requesting fucking, I think, $12,000 on these. What a fucking bounce. What a fucking bounce. I missed it. I'll be requesting fucking what? Yeah, $14,000 across fucking 7 accounts. And then this one, I don't know what I'm going to get to. I don't know what I'm going to request, but I'll be requesting again on what? Monday? Because I'm on what day am I on again? I forgot. 554. You see, guys, I am on day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more $50 day on that one. And then a couple of flip days. So Monday, shit. Come Monday or like Tuesday or Wednesday, I could be sitting at like $16,000 for the month or 15 plus. Sign me up. Now, this fucking sucks because I missed it and I didn't chase it. Look at that. 351. It just went up fucking 230 ticks. You see, guys? You see that? Right off the 707 or the 786, depending on where you put your low. This is interesting. This isn't, I don't think this is the VWAP. That's not the VWAP. See, what a fucking cuck. I was going to say we got a nice little confluence there at the 786. But we'll see. Let's see. Let's see, chat. You see, guys? So right here, this little drop right there, from this low to this high, I bet that's the 786. Watch, I'm going to draw another fib here. All fucking day these things happen. All day. Right about, just about, right? We wicked over it. Had a little scalping opportunity. I think it's going to go higher, though. I got my orders right here. Right here. Jack, boom! How much is a flip day? You don't have to get us any amount. You could lose money on a flip day. You just got to enter and exit a trade. But I trade anything, dude. Unless I'm losing money on purpose, I fucking play to win, no matter what I'm doing. Savvy, what's up? I trade. Emil. Simplistic. Jake, yo, make those count. Yeah, you know what you are to them? You're a liability. Let's see if I get filled here. But great job. The best part is there's other firms. There's so many other firms. You could get 40% off any size, any type of Lucid eval right now. And get your money. If you get to a payout, you could literally have your money within 5 minutes. If you're in the States. It might take a little longer, if you're not in the States. Are you fucking serious? Film me! All right, I'm worried. What a fucking bounce. This was the trade of the session. If I actually got in. It went up fucking 350 ticks. 350 ticks. Chat. I'm worried about this, actually. I'm not going to let myself lose a ton of money. 350 tick pop right there. If you fucking saw that and you jumped on it and you weren't a fucking idiot like me, too busy talking, I would have definitely taken something on that. Damn. What a fucking move. Just a casual 350 tick pop in how many minutes? In 10 minutes, we fucking bounced 350 ticks. You see, guys? Gold is fucking crazy. Let's go. Keep dropping it. I'll take that if we could get it. Here's the other problem. Here's the other issue. Like that right there, we just dropped 31 ticks. If I was trading my usual 1 mini, I would have had $300. I probably would have locked it in. But now I got to sit here and fucking wait and hope it really drops. That's the fucking problem. On the flip side, obviously, if it went against me that many ticks, I'd be only down to $90. So, I get it. It's a meal. What are you talking about? What I'm talking about? No one shows the information on YouTube? What do you mean? Are you talking about me, bro? Hey, man, that's what I'm here for. If you're talking about me actually sharing this information. Well, I guess I'm going to get stopped out. So, if we fucking draw a fib from the low, I had them. I just don't have them anymore. I'm going to get stopped out, though. What a fucking pop. Watch this. So this high, I don't like that high. I like this high better. I will put another order right there and right here. Storm, what up? What up, Coach Fred? So, yeah, those are the best firms. LK, what's good? Just ain't right. Mwah! Foster. Yeah, bro. I mean, I'm at fucking. I did 79. I did over 79,000 between December and January in payouts. And it probably cost. And I know what it probably cost me less than 10 grand in account costs. Not bad. I'm at 105,000 plus since fucking October 16th. If I get approved for all these payouts, if I could get the job done and get approved on all these payouts I was just telling you about, this is going to go higher. This looks like it wants to go up another leg. Awesome. Can't wait to get stopped out. I will be at 120 grand in less than 4 months in payouts. And all I do is one fucking thing. Now, this is my thing, and it doesn't necessarily mean it'll be yours, but I just practice one kick over and over and over again. I trade the fibs and gold, and that's it. I don't give a fuck about anything else. What up, Iggy? I need to put on a smaller jock strap. JC, what up? Renee Bleh. Yeah, the metrics. Yeah, that shit's important. You got to know how the shit works in the background. You know what I mean? JT. Yeah, bro, I did it the other day. I did it, bro. I've been better about it, but you got to just, man, if you're already up a decent amount on the day, maybe it's better to just wait for the next day. You don't have to do it on the exact day that you could get a payout. You know what I mean? I did it yesterday. I blew 4 funded Apex accounts. Not yesterday. Monday. Sunday night, actually. I didn't need to trade them anymore. I was up 298 on the day on them. Am I going to lock this in? I got $150 day. No. Keep fucking dropping. This is where I fucking suck at trading. I don't ever fucking, I find a way to put my trailing stop in the perfect place, and it doesn't matter where I put it. It finds it. It finds it, and then it drops a fuck ton lower, or if it's the other way around where I'm playing a bounce, it'll keep going up a fuck ton. Hey, Melissa. You might, I didn't throw those out because you're probably going to have to reprint them so you know where you're at. Anyway, the printer got jammed. Clarence. His real name's Clarence. Mob Barley. Pommy. I've done it so many times, though. I'm not immune to it. You know, like, I'm growing. I've gotten, like, my growth as a trader has fucking, you know, I'm in a really good place as a trader now, but obviously I still have room for fucking more growth. We all do. Oh my God. Are you fucking serious? That's where I would have let go, and this is like the struggle that I deal with. Is it going to come all the way back up? I'll be fucking pissed. Or is it going to drop lower? But right there would have been like a spot. And like, look, I had 100. What did I have there? And this is another thing, is because I'm trading fucking micros. If this was a mini, I'd be up a fuck ton. How much was that? That was over 100 ticks. So I was up $300 there. I couldn't let go of the fucking thing fast enough, and I didn't let go. And now look, giving it all back. Good thing it's end of day trailing. But look, this is what I'm talking about. This is why I hate trading fucking micros, because that was only $300, and my take profits down here. I was like, oh, maybe it'll keep going, but no, it decided to bounce right there. Even if I tried to let go, like, the only way you could get out of that trade down around here is if I fucking trailed it tight and let go. Look at this shit. Amazing. That's fucking annoying. I had my my $150 day locked. Now I don't have shit. And that's where I get fucking pissed off. Talking about growth. There's no growth right there. This is, you know what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to learn how to fucking, with micros, you have to hold longer. You have to hold for bigger moves. And this is where I get fucked with micros. This was just like what happened with these fucking A today. Same fucking shit. So fucking stupid. Look at that. It dropped 100 ticks. It's retesting. I hope it fucking drops again and goes lower, but I doubt it. I feel it fucking coming. This is what I'm talking about. This shit fucking drives me fucking crazy. I couldn't get out fast enough. Drop lower, motherfucker! Let's go. Please. It retested it, baby. Let's go. Keep going, please. Granny, go. Watch, I'm going to let go. I'm going to let go, and it's going to fucking pop right back up and take me out before it drops. Oh, man. You know what? I'm going to lower this. I got to lower this. Oh! I got to lower it. I can't let this get away from me again. Love the retest. I'll take it. Now watch it fucking flush. Where was my take profit? Hold on. Where was my take profit? I still have orders somewhere. Oh, I got orders up there. My take profit was at 533. Here's my take profit. You ready? Here it comes. Here's my take profit. It's about to hit every fucking time. This is what I'm talking about. But I got 100 ticks. I got almost, well, what did I get? 70 ticks? 71 ticks? 71 ticks. And all I got out of those 71 ticks was $229. JT. Mikey. Oh, yeah, bro. I'm still growing. I'm not even close to my full potential. There's levels to this shit. What I did last month, someone did in a week. And I'm not comparing myself to them, but I'm just saying, like, what I did last month is amazing. I did almost 45 grand. That's fucking great in payouts. Somebody did that in a week. Got a lot of people. But I get it. For someone that's never gotten their first, someone who's still struggling to get their first payout, you're getting closer, by the way. Keep that in mind. Remember that. But for someone who is still trying to get their first payout, it feels like that looks like $1 million to them. There's levels to this shit. There's levels. Tim Newts, but wait, there's more. Renee Bleh, Scalpster. Exactly, bro. It's all relative. It's a fuck ton for me. It's the most I've ever done as a trader, especially with prop firms. I've never gotten. That's my biggest month ever. My biggest month prior to December was 18,700. I did that in May, which is oddly enough, it's almost a year ago. Fucking crazy, man. Time is flying. Almost a year ago. 9 months ago, I had my best month, my first best month ever. Well, it was not my first. It was my best month ever. I had 18,700. I'm like, shit. Oh, 20K is right around the corner. And I didn't come close to 20K until December when I did 34K. And then I had no, like, I don't know. I wanted to at least match what I did in December, and I fucking exceeded it by 10K, by 33%. Clinvale. LK. You just got to keep putting the work in, man, and just don't compare yourself to anybody. It's you versus you. Just get better. Just work, just get better and be patient. And try to, if like the same shit keeps happening, try to identify where it happens and fucking break the pattern, because it's just a habit. Whatever, you know what I mean? I had some bad habits. I got rid of a lot of them. You got to form the good habits. You got to replace the bad habits with the good habits. Sacco. Roberto, thank you. Also, Take Profit Trader, by the way, I kind of want to trade that more, but Take Profit Trader is also 40% off a no activation fee with the best fucking code, 0DayJ. Yeah, some do it in a day like Lanto. Andre, what up? My bad, bro. Yo. Did you duck for cover when the fucking bomb went off? Yeah. Tactical, nice job. Is that a flex? Yo, Tactical, is that a flex funded account? Is that a funded flex account? Are you still here? Micah! I know, man. I'm working on it, bro. I'm making the adjustment to this shit. Simplistic, that's a great goal. Mob Barley. Man, I'm just seeing some of you guys now. I think I said what up to you guys, but if I didn't, I'm sorry. What up? What up? Micah. I was only doing I would only get in with 2 and then I would add 2. Now I'm going to get in with 3 and add 3. I'm just hoping that the range goes back to like a normal range on gold, and then I'll be able to go back to trading minis. But Tactical, let me know on that 50K Lucid Flex if it's an eval or a funded. Jay with the fest, Miss Goody, always picking up on the minor details. My alphabet game is fucking. The alphabet still works, by the way. I don't do it, but I know it works. I'll do it next time. I'll let you know how it turns out. Ronnie, where would I invest 30K right now? I'd rather piss it away on my on another Lexus. I don't know. 30K? Is that really enough? I would wait. 30K isn't enough, depending on what you're looking to invest in. If gold or silver drop down to like, if silver dropped down to like 50, maybe in silver. After this pop to 120. If gold dropped down to like 3,500, maybe gold. That wouldn't even be 10 ounces of gold. All seriousness. Michael, let's see what's going on with the NQ. What time is Google earnings? Savvy. Yeah, 30K, I would just use it on evals. Prop firm accounts, of course. I wouldn't buy 30K worth of accounts all at once, though. Jay Nibs. I know it's a rhetorical question that nobody's answer is the right answer. Eric K. I would find the nearest fucking shitcoin and just say that I read the white papers and I believe in the project. Anyway, let's go look at fuck the NQ. What time is Google? What time is Google? Oh, it's just Goog. And Marcin. Yeah, I would get as many fucking fast track Talladega Nights plans as I could possibly get. And then get some payouts and then get clawed back. Or not get paid, that whole fucking game. Google. I'm sorry, Savvy. I'm sorry. I hate it. Do I want to get more on these? How hard can it be? Oh, look, it's coming back down. Let me, I got to shrink this. That's where those orders are. Let's get rid of this fucker for now. You see, guys, what a fucking bounce. That was the trade. That was the fucking trade of the fucking session. I missed it, but I did get some. We did okay. With 3 fucking micros on this, I would have made like $1,000. It fucking went from 351. It went up 400 ticks. 400 ticks. You see, guys? Go kick some rocks. You would put 30K in 0 day fucking options, bro, Michael Escorza? You wild, Mr. Rogers. Ronnie, you got to go to Dubai first and then pull that off. And then you would go Fast and Furious style and drive Lamborghinis, jump high skyscrapers with Lamborghinis. Cajun, what up? Yeah, hookers and blow, exactly. Where is silver at today? So look, see, I knew silver was going to go back to 100. Silver almost hit 92. Gold hit 5,100 last night. I knew it was going to come back. They can't fucking hold this shit down. They can only hope to contain it. They could try all the fucking tricks in the book. Silver will be at 150 and 200 before you know it. And gold will be at 10K at some point. They could try all they fucking want. JK, what up? When should we full port Bitcoin? When they fucking flush Michael Saylor out of his position. I think that's what someone told me. That's what they're trying to do. Someone who's friends with a fucking a financial guy said that they're trying to flush out fucking Michael Saylor's Bitcoin position. That's why the shit keeps going down. That's when you back up the fucking truck and you call Granny. Oh, yeah. Tommy Kane. Yep. Oh, look, it's holding this fucking spot. Look at that. Oh, it's lower now. Look. So it held this fucking spot. Now it's even lower. You fuck. Motherfuck. We'll see if it comes all the way down here. This is actually, you know what? You see, guys, let me draw a happy little Fibonacci here. That's not even the 786 from this high to this low, but whatever. We'll see. I don't know. Oh, the market's closing, though. Well, we got another hour. Gold's not going to give a fuck. Gold's not going to give a fuck. What time is Goog? 4:05, 4:15. Stock, cars, and bets, what up? 4:02. How is Take Profit Trader? Oh, you're asking about my accounts?
So this has an X in it, and I really round the cutting board. Just make sure it's rolled up when you give it to him.
Can you put some tape on it?
And I made a bowl of food. If he won't eat it, because it's been sitting, you're gonna have to start over.
All right. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Come give me a kiss.
Not on camera.
Not on the stream?
No.
I want to play some tonsil hockey with you, babe. Did we have earnings yet? No? Where's gold at? I'm scared. All right, we're chilling. JK. Miss Goody. Yeah. I tried to slip her the tongue. It didn't work. I don't know. Micah said 402. QCOM just came out. Yeah, Brandon. Pine Tree. A funded all right, tactical. That's great. Where's Penelope? Penelope's right. The girls are right here. Is that Google? Is that the Google pop right there? That's 42 points. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's Google. Oh shit. Oh, I feel bad for whoever thought they was gonna go low. Watch this. You want to see something cool, chat? Watch this, chat. What a coincidence. It just happened to fucking reject. Watch this. Right at the 707. Damn. Damn. I bet whoever was long was happy until they weren't. Damn. Google. Is that the spot? That's the low of the VWAP band. Is that the low of the VWAP band? Well, we blew through it. Yikes. Here's the spot. That's the spot right there. Maybe. I mean, I went to the low a day. If I treated any of these lows, it might have been different. There's your NQ. Have fun with that. If you went short, God bless you. We just went down almost 200 points. What's gold doing? Gold's just cucking around. Gold's waiting for this Google shit to end, and then gold's going to start moving again. There's a 707. And then here's the 786. Let's see if any of this holds. Micah. Enzo, what up? Roberto, I mean, you can wait till tomorrow. The issue you might run into is if you pass it or when you pass it, you might have to pay. You might not have that. The lifetime activation fee deal might not be still in place. They do like to leave it in the back. Yup, 707's holding. Oh my God. That just shit just bounced like 50, 70 ticks. 70 points. Sorry, 70 points. That would have been a great spot to fucking take a trade on with these fucking take profit trader accounts. I didn't trade them yet today. I wanted to get all my funded accounts taken care of before I moved on to these. Like I want to pass them as soon as possible, but I'm also not going to force anything. So it's fine. I got all my drawdown and I'm up more than halfway. What a fucking bounce. You see, guys, look at this. The fucking fibs, man. They're beautiful. You see, guys. Doesn't matter what the fuck is going on. They play out a lot. 875, 876 to fucking 100 points, over 100 points. Bounce off of the 707. Past the 54K eval. Would you fucking trade the same eval that you already passed already? Tony Gold. Yeah, NQ, dude. Well, you got, oh my God. 76. 100 and what, 15 fucking points already? Motion Capital. Oh, you just ended up getting $4,000 on a 50K instead of $3,000. Yeah, I honestly, on evals, that's about the only time I would even consider trading the NQ, and that was a great spot. Obviously, I missed it. Jeez. I'm just so used to not trading the NQ that I don't even bother like trying to. But I do need to activate that group and get in the right accounts. Watch it go higher than where it dropped. It's probably going to go higher. Google got clapped with beat earnings. Well, that's why it's coming back up like that. Oh, is that where it wants to reject? That's probably the 786. Yep. You see, guys, I have a feeling it's going to go higher, though. Oh, yeah, JT, of course. Konija, no. I'm just going to go with Trey Kobe. I just haven't had a chance to set it up. Yesterday was after I got off the stream, I was busy as fuck. And I wanted to, I guess it is holding at the 786. Look at that. On a fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-minute fib. A fib that was 5 minutes long. I drew a fib, and look, we just rejected fucking 60 points, 70 points off of 786. You see, guys? And this fib that we bounced off of this, I think we're going to go up higher just because the larger time frame probably will win out, but I don't know. We could go lower. I don't fucking know. Because look at this time frame here. This is the low. This is from, 3.5 hours ago. And then I based it on that low and this high. And we pulled all the way back because of the earnings, whatever, who cares what it was, but that's where we pulled back to, and we bounced right off of that shit. DGen. Rebbe. Yeah, Konija, I do want to trade my bull and us. I'm just going to go with, I could trade them. That trading things at IO is really nice. The only issue is they don't have trade copying in place yet. So I can't copy trade. And I want to. So I'm not even going to bother. Josh, what up? These are old, bro. These are from like December or early January. They're still in here. They're trapped in here. I haven't had these in over a month, or at least a month, around a month. They're fucking trapped. What's gold doing? Kind of broke out. Nice little pop there. Look, this right here, 566. Almost fucking 200 ticks. Nice, Dan. You taking any payouts, bro, or you just going to keep building the accounts? You got to You got to take some money out, bro. I mean, you know better, but take some money. I hope you've taken some money on all of this. Let's see this. This was from before. Yeah. Just please do it for the stream. Simplistic. I don't pick a random high. I usually go by the last low and the last high. And then if I got to expand it, look how many different lows there are that I could choose from. So if I want to be more conservative, I go with the lower lows. Road Dog, what up? I mean, if this is all I end up with on fucking Lucid, that's okay. It's my second $150 day. Like, it's okay. Like, you know, if I end up, I have to get to at least 1,000. If all I get to is like 1,000, let's say I get to 1,200 and I'm eligible to request, I'm requesting that. Well, I'll be able to request 600 times 5. I'll take it. I don't care. I don't care anymore. It doesn't matter to me. Do I want to get more? Could I have gotten more? Yeah, of course, obviously. But I didn't. So that's just how it went. The trade this would have been the one. I still got all these open orders here. That would be great if I get filled. That would be fucking fantastic if I get filled in either direction. But simplistic, you know what I'm saying about the fibs? I draw them wherever I feel. If I want a larger, I don't just make up a spot. I look for highs and lows. And if I'm looking for a rejection, I draw it accordingly. If I'm looking for a bounce, I draw it accordingly. But it's always a high and a low. This is a larger time frame fib right here. You see how big this one is? It's from the where's the low? It's from the low a day, and I've expanded it a few times. You know, I had it at this high, and then I was taking trades, and then I had it at this high. I was taking trades. I had it at this high. Now I have it way up here as my last high, but from this low, it's still appropriate. It's still appropriate. That's on, you know, you got to figure that out. That's the best part about the fibs. It's fluid. You just got to, you know, the more you draw them, the more you'll understand what I'm saying. I'm usually on the more conservative side when it comes to it, but I miss out on a lot of fills because of it at the same time. Let's see what the NQ's doing. Just hanging around. Almost got back to right where it rejected on that initial pop for earnings. But now if you look here, so this is the low. This is the low from that dump, and here's the high. 786. You see, guys. It was the 707 or the 786 from this low and this high, but now obviously we have a new low. Vinny Lee. Like fucking He-Man. You want to see how I fib? This is how I fib. By the way, if you're not in the best community on these prop firm streets, this is me fibbing. If you're not hanging out in the best community on these prop firm streets, it's free for now. Let me drop a link in the chat. The only time anyone gets invited to this fucking Discord is from my live stream chat. So I feel like we have a higher quality of people in here. Rickson, what up? Cody, Stacks. We have a high quality of people in here because I don't just let anybody in. I don't just have links in my descriptions on my videos and like all my socials. It's only when I'm streaming that I drop the link to get in the Discord. So I feel like if anyone's joining the Discord, they've already been hanging out with me and the rest of us for but this shit pops off all day, all night. Like it's just, oh, is there some shit making fun of? Whoa. Top Step, they're fucking killing it over here. They're only down 473,000 now. They're getting closer. Damn, Mikey. Mikey's on a fucking heater, bro. I love it. All right, let's see what the fuck's going on here. Is this going to hold? I should probably expand the high, probably to this high, and then it changes things a little bit. But that's all I do. I expand, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's free for now. 1,500. We'd probably, if I just let anybody in from anywhere, we'd probably have like 3,000 to 4,000 members. But I'd rather just have a better quality of person in there. And for the most part, that's how it's been. Every once in a while, we get some fucking jerk-offs, but guess what? They get kicked the fuck out. Elevated life. You understand, chat? Mike Crotch. Rick, hey, Rick, what up? Miss Goody, you still here? You want to see this? You want to see my girls? Stacks, I don't even know what. Oh, you talking about trade iffy? Yeah. Oh, look, I'll show you because I got to go downstairs. Where's gold at? Oh, shit. Oh, I just missed getting filled. You fucking kidding me? Look at that. I just missed getting filled by like 8 ticks at that new 707. Are you fucking kidding me? And it's down 60 ticks. I could have had like another $180. Hold on. Damn, that sucks. Penelope's on my right. Wait, on my left. She's the one with her head up. The one that's all black and the darker one with the brindle, that's Luna. Right? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Don't worry, Luna. I won't leave you out. Oh. Yeah, they hang out with me. Like, if I'm in here, they're always in here with me. Anyway, let's look at the fucking charts. I can't believe I didn't get filled on that shit. I'm so fucking pissed. I think I will, though. And then I'm going to be pissed because it's probably going to go against me. I don't know. It looks like it might hold.
My shoe.
Ew. Is that your work shoe?
Yes.
That's disgusting. Wait, is that the new one? No. Oh, because I see the pack over there.
I don't like the insoles that you already do.
Why do you wear them?
Well, these are part of the shoe.
Oh.
I just have these. I don't like this shit.
Because it's forcing your foot to be a certain way, like in the arch.
My foot's hanging out beside my foot.
Oh, look who it is. All right. Well, there's different types you could get. You know what I mean? You got to try different ones. Right, chat? Thanks, chat. I need more fucking coffee.
I'm just.
Oh, you're going to be on the stream. You're on the stream. You're on the stream. This is my 19-year-old. My 19-year-old daughter. And then I just said what up to my 18-year-old son. Crazy. What?
I took this part out of this shoe. I took this one.
Yeah, that's okay.
I should do that?
This is the original?
Yeah.
These are like the waterproof ones, though. Well, I don't know. Yeah, just chuck that. That's disgusting. That's what the insoles are for. Right to replace them.
This isn't disgusting.
Whatever. Maybe you should just get new shoes.
Well, my actual shoes are fine. These bad boys are lasting.
Okay. Sounds great.
But, well, I'm asking your opinion.
What do you mean? They're garbage. They have a hole in them.
These are garbage, but I kind of like the extra cushion.
So you should get insoles.
Put the insole on top.
You can do that, but you should get insoles that have extra cushion.
So for the time being, I should throw this out.
That's up to you. No, don't put it on the table. That's disgusting. Good thing mommy's not here.
I'm gonna call her.
Yeah, ask mommy. Ask mommy. Wow, that shit dropped. Look at that. 60 ticks. And I miss getting filled by fucking 8. You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro.
Where are you?
7 ticks. 7 ticks is nothing for Google. I mean, not Google, for gold. The way gold's moving, look at that one candle. We got 100 tick candles. So 7 ticks is nothing. It couldn't just come up there and fill me. Now I don't want to get filled. But it was in the right spot. Just not good enough. Anyway, back to the G-Gen layer. We got to go to the upper level of my double tall trailer. Look at that shit go. This shit's gonna fucking, oh my God, I should have chased.
Well, it's just too much.
How many ticks is that? This is down, what was that? 80 something ticks? Soon it'll be 100 ticks. Oh fuck, I just spilled coffee all over the fucking stairs.
Both of them. I feel like just the other one.
Fuck me. That fucking sucks. Should have drank more of that shit. What's NQ doing? That looks like it held that spot. It's down 50 points. I'm so used to counting ticks with gold. Look at this. 100 ticks. I just missed getting filled by fucking 7. You know how annoying that is? Gotta clean this fucking coffee off the stairs. Fuck. On the carpet too.
Well, you know, I do work on my feet.
I can't believe this shit. I hate not getting filled. 100 ticks. That would have been another $300.
I feel like love added art. Oh my god, what happened with their workouts? All of the lights, all of the lights. 11 women. God damn. Oh no, it's been Saturday.
Listen, who made it this far? You can last another couple days. Friday. I didn't know how Thursday and Friday.
What did mommy tell you to do? Get replacement Croc insoles?
Well, I just got ones that fit Crocs because these aren't a little bit small in my shoes.
Oh, well, you could cut them too. You know that, right?
What are you talking about? I mean, it's in the stairs. It's one upstairs.
I'm so fucking pissed about that non-fill. We would have heard it too. We would have heard the bombs away. Fuck me. Sorry, chat. Too much shit going on. Too much real life shit going on. Jay Nibs, no problem. Stop trading the account, Tactical. Don't touch it. How hard can it be, Scooby? Rick. I don't know, man. I'm still trying to figure out the best way to do it. I was trading with I would get filled with 2, and I'm like, this fucking blows. So I upped it to 3, and then I would hope to get filled again with another 3. And then I went to minis a couple times because I was so frustrated with the fucking micros because I couldn't fucking get what I wanted. And I would have had it with the minis. So I'm like, I don't know. I'm still fine tuning it. Frank, what up? Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Like, I was in this trade right here with three micros. I got almost, at a certain point in this trade, I was up 100 ticks, and all I had was $300. You know what I'm saying? So it's just fucking annoying. Tuan on. Nothing happened. I'm fucking green everywhere, bro. I just needed to get a flip day. A small trade day here, just not lose too much money. I'm greening I'm greening all 20 of my funded Apex accounts. I'm requesting a payout today. And I'll be requesting another payout on Friday with these 6. And then potentially Monday with this one if I could get another $50 day in. How hard can it be? So that'll be like 15 to 16 grand in the next few days. As long as I get approved. As of right now, I don't have any violations on any of those. These actually, 61 and 62, what day am I on with those? 61 and 62 are looking fucking good too. I'm on day 5. I did 866 on the first day with those. Really? Shit. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm on day 5. 867 divided by 0.30. I had a third account in that group, and I fucking blew it because of dumb shit. I got to grow these accounts to at least 2,890. And today's day 5. So those accounts where are they? They're not that far away. I basically need another $600 on those accounts. These 2 right here. So potentially next week I'll be requesting fucking on how many accounts? 8, 10 accounts between today and sometime next week. 10 accounts. Oh, and this one 538. That's when I got paid on. What am I on today? I think I'm on day 3. Today is day 3 since I got paid. I think I traded like micros that day. 1, 2. Today's my 3rd day. 467. So I mean, I could be requesting payouts on like fucking 11 accounts next week. Maybe more. Who the fuck knows? I don't know. What days am I on with the other ones? 567's on day 3. These are on day 2. I don't know. I mean, next week could be fucking, dude. I could be at. By the end of next week, I could be around. I don't even know, 15, 20 grand. Who the fuck knows? And that's just with Apex. You see, guys. What are we doing? What are we doing about this? I'm fucking annoyed that I didn't get to trade these accounts again. But I don't know. Funded accounts take priority for me. Funded accounts are always the priority. And I have so many of them. I got 20 with Apex. I have 5 with Lucid. And I'm going to have 3 with fucking Trade Day. That's 28. And I'm hoping to have 5 with Take Profit Trader to put me at 33. Longhorn, JP. Yeah, Rick, it's tough, man. It's fucking tough. It's frustrating more than anything. Because I used to just, I would catch quick scalps of 40, 50 ticks, and then I'd be good for the day. And then now, the problem is with that, like the candles, some of these candles are 100 plus ticks. Look, I would have gotten filled and I'd be red now. I'd be red. So I still have the order up here. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, no, I wouldn't. Actually, I would have gotten filled. I canceled the order. Let's see if it goes back down. I'll be so fucking pissed. I canceled it. 825. I would have gotten filled here. I just don't know if it's going to drop. I wish I got filled here so I could get, another 100 ticks. Just ain't right. How big of a donation for me to wear a fake mustache on the stream? I don't know, man. JP, is there something in the Discord I gotta watch?
Congratulations, Jay, for being the best trader ever. Just don't forget to show your broker statements. Love, Rips.
You gotta make him laugh at the end going, ha, ha, ha. Oh, am I gonna fucking be so fucking mad because I canceled this order? Because I was worried if I got filled on it on the way back up, it would keep going? I'd be up like $50 right now. I don't know. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Adam, what up? Yeah. Yeah, he single-handedly. Get the fuck out of here. Jamal, what up? Eric J. Saeed. Of course you can. Of course you can make over 1,000 on an APEC. You can make as much as you want, but you got to do the math. Now you got to divide by 1,000 by 0.3, and then you know how much you have to grow the account by, depending on the size. If it's a 50K or a 25K, now you got to grow it to this much. Look at this. I'm so glad I canceled that fucking order. Fuck. $45 ticks. I'd have like another, oh my God. I'd have another $180. I'm so glad I canceled it. Look, my order got filled. It would have gotten filled. Fucking piece of shit. Look at that shit. 65 ticks. 64 ticks. Kill me. Fucking kill me. This shit happens to me all the fucking time. It's so annoying. 825 would have gotten filled and went down from 825. It went down 72 ticks. I would have had $200. Victor, what up? No, I'm not in the shitter. I'm in a fucking imagine having this in the shitter. I'm in a pod. I'm in one of those I'm in a workspace. It's a quiet space to drown me out so my wife doesn't fucking hear me screaming as much. Brandon, what up? The goat of what? What is he the goat of? Not showing his fucking Apex account numbers? The goat of fucking bragging about being up 31K on funded accounts without showing his account numbers, and then 2 weeks later, he's talking about how he loves how much extra drawdown he has on 250K evals because he couldn't get to a fucking payout. What is he the goat of? Saying, my broker statement. I'm not saying he's a bad trader. He's obviously not that good at trading with prop firms. What up, Zah? It's an oversized phone booth. You want to see it? You see it? You see, guys? That's what he's the goat of. He's also the goat of changing his name. Oh, what a fucking drop. I got none of it. Because I canceled my order like a bitch. Stacks. Hey, it is what it is. Happy wife, happy life. I'm loud. I'm loud as fuck and my voice carries, so whatever. It's a write-off. I just shit in a bucket. FC Mike, what up? Drewski. Did he really say that? So he's a pedo sympathizer. Awesome. JP. Longhorn. I like it in here though, because also if the kids are fucking around, although my kids are older now, but like the girls get a little rowdy and loud, or if the dogs are fucking being annoying and barking, I don't hear much on the outside either. When like my wife could be vacuuming in here and I barely hear it. You know what I mean? Yeah, Drewski, post it in the Discord and tag me. NQ fucking dumped. Yeah, I said, oh my God, I said this was going to happen. I said, watch, it's probably going to go higher. So it fucking popped here, and then it dropped. Look at that bounce off the 707. 76, it went up fucking 300 points. A 300-point bounce off the 707. You see, guys? You see, guys? Stacks. I could have definitely passed my take profit trader evals. Let's get rid of all of these. Let's draw these fucking bigger fucking time frame fib. There's the 786. 786, 707. So if I treated this as the last high, we basically hit the 786 here. I like this one better. Is this the right spot for the VWAP? I bet it comes down and then retests the VWAP and then bounces. Your wife's boyfriend does the vacuuming. The brand of the pod? Yeah, it's Visible ID. This is it right here. I got the Decibel Deluxe. This one. Look, they got a... That's me. Look at me in a suit. Look at my socks. It looks like he's got a fucking, one of those fucking things on his ankle to make sure he's still at home. The house arrest shit. This is the one I got. Most of the time, people get these for their office. They'll get a bunch of them for their office. Anyway, chat. Oh, shit. See? We had some scalp opportunities here. We had scalp opportunity here. And now, look. Imagine I fucking was like, no, I'm holding because I'm a stubborn prick and I'm only trading micros. I'd be fucked right now. This is the original reason why I canceled the order to begin with. I want it up here. I'm moving it up higher. Am I not going to get filled now that I moved it up higher? Am I going to be fucking pissed again? Perry Dollar to make a holla. Bobby Digital. Yo, oh yeah, the ankle monitor. That's what I meant. Alfred, you got, hey, thanks, guys. You know what I meant. Tips and peaks. I got one on my ankle. Oh my God, you fucking motherfucker. Hit my order. What a pop, though. What a pop off of this fucking 707 bounce. Or 786, depending on where the low was. 350. Am I not going to get filled again? This shit went up fucking 600 ticks. Fill me. Carlos. NGC. How do you get the VWAP on Tradeovate? Do I get put in a... Oh, my God. I moved this up a little bit. I would have gotten filled. I'm running out of time to trade with this account too. I got a piece so fucking bad. Are you fucking serious? Come on, just come up and film me. What's the white bars on my chest? What? I think it's from the light. Oh my God, here we go again. Here we go again. I pussied out. I moved my order up and I didn't get filled. It's already down 30 ticks. You fucking piece of shit. I'm fucking joking. Now I'm going to regret it. Watch it come all the way back up. I don't even need to trade these anymore. That's the fucking worst part. And I could have had another 200, 400. And then here, I canceled my order. I raised my order by, I think, like 10 ticks. I think I would have gotten filled. Yeah, look. Of course. Of fucking course. I fucking hate micros. I'm blaming it on the micros. Yo, it's fucking 57 ticks. If I left my order where it was, I would have been up $150. Cody. Oh, on the chart? What white bars? This shit over here? This is the volume profile, which I totally fucking ignore. To get the VWAP on Trade Evade, you got to go to indicators, explore community indicators. And then type in the VWAP. But this is the one I use right here. This one right here. What's the disc? I don't even, what? I don't know what you're talking about, bruh. Am I really doing this to myself? Fucking piece of shit. Yeah, I mean, I look at it, but I don't know. I don't care. I don't know. It's on my chart. I don't pay. Honestly, all I care about is the fibs. That's all I give a fuck about. And if the fibs line up with the VWAP or the upper or lower the VWAP bands. V33. Rick. Nice job, Rick. I love it. Stacks. Who? You talking about Tom Cruise? Oh, Longhorn. Yeah, I trade gold I try to get all of my accounts traded during the overnight. I had 8 of them done by the overnight in Apex. And then I did like I got my flip day in on, oh shit. I got my flip day in on the trade days to get my last day in. Hey, I wish I was in 3. See, look, I fucked myself. You fucking piece of shit. Whatever, I'll take it. Look, I mean, fuck, I moved this up 10 fucking ticks. I would have had it. I would have had how many ticks now? 940. It's down. It just moved. It just shot down 100. What did I get out of that? $42 fucking dollars. What a loser. All right, I'm done. I'm done with these accounts. I'm out of time anyway. I can't trade these. These are you can only trade Lucid until like 4:45. We're good. I'll take it. I got another $40 to make them holla. I hate micros. Fuck micros. I'm only trading them because gold is sketchy as fuck lately. Alex, what up? I'm trading. Yo, go kick some rocks. This is Lucid right here. I love Lucid. These are my Lucid. I have 5 funded flex accounts. Lucid is the shit. I've been trading with Lucid since since October. I've been getting paid by Lucid since October. Look at all that. You see, guys? Billions and billions. Anyway. You know what's interesting? They showed this. I might have actually made it a little bit less in fucking January because I might have done the math with this like this and not take the 90 and not take the 10% out because they only pay you 90% of this. So maybe I made, I don't know, I got to do the math. 1541 plus 1541 plus 1399.40 plus 1399.40 plus 1422.50 plus 1422.50. I don't know if I did the math like that. 87.25.80 times 0.9 times 0.10. So maybe I did 43 grand. 43, 872.59. Remember that number. 872.59. I don't know if I did the math with or without the fucking 10%. 44,665 minus. So maybe I did 43,792. Fuck. I don't know though. I'm gonna have to go through all of it again. I'm not doing that now. That fucking sucks. But anyway, I'm done trading Lucid. It's gonna go lower. I can't trade it anymore. I would have gotten liquidated out of my position. So whatever. We got day 2 fucking locked. Now let's move along to these fucking take profit traders. Lucid, yeah, Lucid. The Flex is my favorite. By the way, if you've never had an account with Lucid, right? If you've never had an account with Lucid, you could get 50% off your first account, your first eval. You could get any eval. The deal they're running right now is any 40% off any eval, any type, any size, with the best code 0DayJ. And your first time use, if you're a first time user, your first account will be 50% off. And then after you use, this is 5 uses for the month of February. After you use all 5, like if you blow through them or whatever, you'll get 30% off moving forward after that. And I think everything else is 30% off if you like the straight to funded accounts. Yeah, go kick some rocks. The Flex is pretty much the same exact thing. Yeah, will it? They're fucking great. They're great. I love Lucid. And you get paid fast as fuck. I've never gotten paid faster. I've never gotten paid faster, man. It's fucking crazy. All right, so now we're in the take profit trader accounts. What's NQ doing? Damn. I got to redraw this shit. All right. I did on some other, what did I do it on the Lucid chart? So here's the low. Here's a high. Here's a high. Here's a high. Interesting. This is not the VWAP. See, fucking trade evade. Oh, Amon, was that you who's asking about the fucking the VWAP? So you gotta. So after you grab it, right? You hit install. You click install. This is the one I use. You click install, and then it's gonna show up in here. It's gonna show up in here. Explore community indicators. No, not there. Fuck. It's gonna show up in here. CE tools. I'm already using it. The Community Explorer, CE tools. That's where it'll be hiding after you add it. I'm pretty sure anything you add from there, from the Community Explorer, anything you add from there will be in here. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. Anyway, let's look and see what the fuck is going on here. Time to expand. See, this is where I had it before. Time to expand. Oh, fuck. Where's the low? We're running out of time. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Really, Mike Crotch? Just hit up support. Did you hit up support? Bowser, what up? Oh, that's nice. Yeah, there was some trade evade glitch right around the Open, the New York Open. And they're actually fucking giving people back their whatever losses they may have incurred. Very nice of them. What up, Nate? Fastest start to a payday? I'm trying to think. I guess the Lucid Black, once you pass, that might be the fastest to a payout. But you got to run that shit the fuck up to get that payout. You got to get to $3,000 in after you get the funded account in 3 days. I don't know. Most of them are fucking, I would say, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day. If you want to push for a day one payout, they're probably the fastest. So it would happen if you pass in 5 days on the 6th day of trading with that account, you could potentially get a payout. Lucid Flex and Lucid Flex and Pro in Lucid Pro in 6 days. I think you could pass Lucid Pros in 1 day. I think Lucid Pros are 1 day to pass still. Lucid Flex would be 7 days. Lucid Pro would be 6 because you pass in 1 day. Actually, you could do it in 5 days with Lucid. You could do it in as little as 5 days with a Lucid Pro if there's still 1 day to pass, because after you pass, another amazing thing about Lucid is as soon as you pass, you could upgrade that account literally like a minute later. Like these accounts, where are they? I passed these yesterday. And then a minute later, I was able to upgrade them to funded accounts. So I did, and then I got my first trading day in. So with a Lucid Pro, I'm pretty sure you can still pass in 1 day. You pass it on day one that you get it, and then you activate the funded account that same day. So that's day one, and then 4 days later, because you need 5 days, right? So within 5 days, you could get a payout with a Lucid Pro. 6 days with a Flex. 4 days minimum with a Black, but you got to run that shit the fuck up with the Black. Take Profit Traders, 6 days potentially. Trade Day, 6 days potentially. My funded futures, 7 days, I think, is the quickest. I don't know. I don't know why you'd be in such a rush to get paid, bro. Just grow the accounts. Anytime I've ever rushed to do anything, I fuck accounts up. Mally, what's up? Hey, it's me, guys. Any opinion about YRM? I don't know anything about them. You know what I'm saying, though, Nate? What's up, Zoe? Yeah, the Flex accounts are fucking amazing. Now, what you might want to look for, if you're asking that question, is what account is the easiest to get a payout on? And I would say the Flexes. And they're quick. All you need to do is grow the account to $1,000, like a 50K, $1,000. Well, any size account, but you need to get a little more on the 150s. But you get to 1,000 on a Flex account, and you get your you meet the requirement for the 5 day, minimum profit. On a 50K, it's 5 days of $150 or more. You get to fucking $1,000 on a 50K Flex, you could take out 500 and have the money in your bank account within 5 minutes if you're in the States. It takes a little longer if you're out in another country. YRM. Rick, did you really? Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Yeah, of course. Of course you can run them up. Right now I'm being here comes fucking trouble. Right now I'm being real conservative in my trading because gold is fucking crazy. Look what gold just did here. There is trouble. Homeboy's looking to eat. He hasn't eaten all day because he's just been sleeping. 817, 939 to 817. We dropped 120 something ticks and we just came back up 120 something ticks. It's fucking crazy. It's crazy. So because of that, well, also I fucking missed out on, what did I miss out on? Getting filled here. I missed out getting filled here and getting a nice one, or here. I forgot where it was. Dude, am I not going to be able to trade these accounts? Fuck me. I'm running out of time. I got to at least get another fucking flip day in. I don't know. I'm annoyed because I wanted to get these fucking passed. Yeah, this guy's hungry. You guys want to see what this guy, I don't know if I have the picture. Ah, shit. Where is this guy? I thought I posted a picture. Oh. I wanted to show you the before and after of this guy, this old man that we have here. I got to at least get a fucking flip day in. Fuck me. That's like a 786 right there. Let's just fuck around. Oh wait, fuck. Watch this. Terrible spot to put a fucking order in, but whatever. I need to get a fucking trade day in. It's a 786 bounce though. I got 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh look, I'm down already. I knew it was a bad spot, but it was a 786 bounce here. Now I'm just doing this just to get a fucking trade in on these accounts to get the day to count for something. But we'll see. Maybe it keeps going. It'll probably do it right as we get to the close, but we'll see. I got to pee so fucking bad too, and I got to feed this guy. Fuck. I got so much shit I got to do in like. All right, let's go, big boy. This guy. This guy used to be literally fucking bones, all bones. Old Man Rivers. The most high maintenance dog I've ever had in my life. My wife's going to heaven for sure. All right, buddy, let's go. Let's go. How much time do I have? 1 minute and 20 seconds. Oh, fuck. Whatever. If I lose a couple $100, I'll be okay with that. I'd rather not, though. Last minute. Should I double up dollars right now? Oh, man. How much time do I have left? 40 seconds. I hate waiting to the last minute to trade these fucking things just to get a day in. Let's see what happens, though. 30 seconds. Flip green, motherfucker. Uh. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. So I got 31 bucks yesterday, and I gave on the same fucking type of situation a flip day. And then I got, here you go, big dog. Oh, he didn't want it. My wife puts medicine in the fucking with peanut butter and chicken, and he's like, I'm not stupid. You gotta go out, bro. I gotta take such a piss. Whatever. I still have the accounts. I'm still halfway to fucking passing. I just need to give myself more time. I missed some opportunities, but whatever. So that's that. So actually just hang out a minute. I got to pee. If you guys want to hang out and watch me request a payout with Apex, then hang out. But I got to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Are you guys proud of me? I went almost the whole fucking stream without having to pee. All right, let's try this again, bro. Here. I know you're hungry. You haven't eaten all day. Are you fucking serious? Why does this dog do this to me? Come on, buddy. Eat. You're fucking hungry. He can't hear me. He's fucking deaf. This is my life. I'm living the fucking life over here. Hey, you want this one? Go ahead. Yeah, that boy. There's your medicine. Take your fucking medicine. Yummy. You want the rest of this? Come on. Go ahead. You guys want to see the outside of the house of Degen? Oh, no. I got to make sure this guy fucking... Go ahead, Bo. Go ahead. Go ahead. Eat your food. It's yummy. It's yummy. It's so yummy. Look at that. You want me to just give it to you by hand? You fucking spoiled little prick. Look at this guy. Man, now he's eating. This guy was literally all fucking bones. You could see, like here, you could literally see the outline of his pelvis and all his fucking, like his entire fucking spine. It was nasty. He was a fucking starvation case. But now he looks great. He weighs like 60 pounds. He was 40 when we got him, when my wife brought him home. God rest her soul. Actually, she's still alive, so I shouldn't have said that. God bless her. All right. I want to see. I can't see the chat because I only brought this laptop down. Let me see something. Hang on a second. I'm going to pause myself. All right. I just want to be able to see the chat. Is it that loud? I don't know why it's so loud. It's been like that recently. You ate all that shit already? Damn, bro. Gotta feed this guy. Gotta give him his little treats. He comes for his treats after he eats his food like a big boy. Right? Oh, shit. You fucking blind. There you go. Leave me alone. Leave me the fuck alone now. Run along now. What the fuck is this? I didn't hit that. So hopefully in the next like 5 or 6 minutes or the next 10 minutes, I'll be able to request. Because I got someone coming to my house and I can't hang out as long as I normally would have to wait for this payout. So, elevated life. Do I smash brewskis? I barely drink. The only time I've been drinking, what up, Vince? The only time I've been drinking lately, Jonathan Tremble, what up? Dude, I don't know why he's doing that. It's only been doing that recently. Even if it's regular order filled. It's my settings on Streamlabs. I want you guys to hear me when I hear the orders getting filled, right? But watch, let me turn background audio. Let's see if there's is there a volume thing here? Heads up before you share audio. Please ensure that your royalty. Yeah, don't show me this cancel. I understand. Let's proceed. I'm already doing that. But I don't know why it's so loud. It used to not be that fucking loud. Now it's in like fucking, even when it just says order filled. But I want you guys to hear it, you know? So I don't know what to tell you. The only thing I can tell you is I'm about to request a fucking payout there. And then in a couple more days, I'll be requesting payouts times 6 on these. Because I'm green. Oh, you know what? This also ruined my green everywhere. I was green everywhere until this happened. You fuck. That doesn't count. All my funded accounts are green everywhere. Every funded account I have. All of them. You see, guys, all of my Apex accounts. Well, there's Well Trust. I'm requesting this one. I think, this is the one I'm requesting today. 560, I think. Yeah, 560. This one I'm going to be requesting on like Monday or some shit. And these 6 on Friday. And then potentially 61 and 62 next week as well. Got a lot of payouts on the way. Green on all of those funded accounts. Green on my Lucid funded accounts. Got my second day in. And then I got my fucking 5th day in with trade day. So I'm going to have 3 funded trade day accounts. I'm just fucking slacking on this take proper traders. I wanted to get these 5 funded too for this month as well. I still think I can, right? I'm halfway there. I got almost all my drawdown. We're fucking good. I'm not worried about it. DBT, yeah. What is the rules Apex has for PAs? Claim my dogs for taxes. I know, bro. Claim them as dependents. Yeah, Mike Crotch. Let someone fucking come here. Let someone try and come here. First of all, they won't get in. But that's besides the point. But yeah, that's a good point. How long did my first Lucid payout take? The first one took a little longer because I requested on a Friday after the market closed. Bro, Carbonite, bro. It doesn't matter what I do. Someone's always getting turned off by something I do. So you think I give a fuck anymore, bro? I don't give a fuck. I want to make the sounds. I want the sounds like that on purpose. You know what I mean, bro? And it's not directed towards you, but if you try to please, you can't please everyone. And if you try to, you know, you'll die trying. You'll fucking get old trying. I ain't fucking doing it. Someone's always going to complain about something. Go hang out with other streamers who don't get any payouts and don't show their account numbers then. If you don't like it. Not you. You know what I'm saying, though. Go hang out with other streamers who fucking, you know, don't show you what they're fucking trading, don't show you their account numbers, aren't transparent, lie about shit. Do I live at the country club with Rips? No, I don't live in a country club. I think I live close by him, though. You gotta go out, bro, again? I think I do live close by him. Obviously, I live close by him anyway because we're in Vegas, but Clarence, I have an S corp and LLCs, but talk to your accountant. Yeah, I live in exactly, Rick. I live in a trailer park with my mom's. Can I request? Not yet. I wish I did live in a trailer park. I wish I lived in a trailer park and my expenses would be, my fucking household expenses would be so much fucking lower. Just waiting on this shit. Do I have any violations? Let's see. What number is that? You know what? I don't think I'm going to be able to request while I'm on the stream because well charts takes longer. Well charts takes longer to update. So I won't even be able to request anyway. But here it is, 560. Let's see. Any violations hiding? Nothing. Clean as a whistle. You see, guys? You see, guys? Yeah, exactly. And Clarence's parents have a really good marriage. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to, I don't think I'm going to be able to request. Yo, what's up with this guy? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I love watching videos of dudes talking about their cars or working on the cars. I love that shit. I've been watching a lot of LS430 videos. Makes me want to get another one. Jacob Hodge, what up? LL Chicken. Hang on a sec. Let me see if you guys want to see the floors we put in though? Have I ever showed you the floors? Fucking sick floors. Oh, there's a dog. Fucking ceramic tile. I love this shit. Fucking this shit had like, you know, pukey, beige, tannish, fucking old tiles that were in here. We fucking took them all out and replaced them. Got to do the kitchen next because the fucking painter fucking sucks. The painter fucked me so bad. Yeah. All right. One last little refresh, and then we'll fucking. It's a double wide. By the way, my trailer's a double wide, double tall trailer, first of its kind. Let's fucking see if I can request. I don't think I'm going to be able to until later because it's well charts. Well charts takes longer to update than Trade Evade. So I'm going to fucking go. Let me see what you guys have to say. Anybody? Yeah. Vinny Lee. Yeah. Crazy, right? No skills. Too late now, bro. I already did that. I'm not doing it again. If I had to fucking do it all over again, I would have not have hired the painter I hired to paint this entire fucking place. There's fucking paint all over these tiles, like everywhere in the house. He fucked me. Rick, thank you, man. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. Jay Stores. Yeah, fucking guy fucking sucked. And he almost like fucked me in terms of his timeline. He kept telling me he was going to be done, and he kept taking his fucking sweet ass time. Awful. Worst. I had him. He painted the other house. He painted that. He did a pretty good job. So I was like, yeah, I'll just have him come back because his prices are pretty good. And he fucking awful. Cody. Yeah, that's the other thing too. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to bounce, guys. I got someone waiting outside for me. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You got to grab an account. Apex 90% off is ending tonight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern. Will they extend it? They are habitual sale extenders. We all know that. But if you got to grab accounts at Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, Bull & Ox, and My Fund and Futures, use my code 0DayJ to get the best deal available. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate according to the Profit from Streets. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. I might stream later tonight if I can, if I have time. If not, I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. All right? I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace. Thanks again. Peace.